Hey everyone, Nathan here at InfoGamer. Today I have a quick announcement video for you. My announcements are that we have 2 brand new and completed tutorial series available on our website at www.infogamerhub.com. There's also a link in the description below. First series is on how to make Pong in Unity. This is a great beginner tutorial if you're just getting into Unity, and I wanted to create this tutorial series because everybody knows Pong and everybody loves Pong, and in a future series I'm going to be using this project to do some more Photon videos. But the entire series is there. It's broken up into 6 lessons, and I'm trying something new with this series where I have these links that when you click them, an image pops up showing you a screenshot of important information related to an object or an asset. The second tutorial series that is now available on our website is our series on how to create zigzag in Unity. Now, one thing about this series is that only lesson 1 is available for everyone, but the rest of the series is only available for those that sign up to become members on our website. Also remember that when you become a member on our website, you gain access to all of the source code for any of the tutorials that we create where the source code is available. Now that's my 2 announcements, and so if you want to gain early access to our Pong series, then go check it out on our website, www.infogamerhub.com. But then I will be publishing the Pong series on YouTube in the near future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.